toontank.com.
So today is a very special day for two reasons. One, it's Angel's birthday. How old are you?
21.
21. She's actually 31, which means she's now mid-30s.
No! That's not true.
Yeah. So for everyone who said, was it a couple of videos ago that I look like your dad, did anyone guess you were 31? I think not.
They thought I was 21, which is my real age.
Yeah, well they must have thought I was 50-something. Anyway, second reason is we are in Paris, which has been Angel's dream destination since you were, what, a kid? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Which means, all right, spin around. Yay! So, Angel sets the agenda for today, which so far has consisted mostly of taking pictures. And I expect that to continue. Yeah, but we have gone for breakfast at Carette, famous for hot chocolate.
Yeah, hot chocolate with a lot of whipped cream.
A lot of whipped cream, and I mean a lot of whipped cream.
Yeah. Whoa. Should we get the cream? Yeah, let's go.
Slurp that shit.
Yum. This is very good. Tasty and yummy.
So we got to do a lot of walking,
To burn it.
burn the sugar.
Yes.
We also have tickets to the Louvre.
Yes, this afternoon.
Yeah, but Angel's itinerary has a very tight turnaround between that and
Merienda.
which
So-
for everyone not from the Philippines is just a fancy name for afternoon tea, but it has a nice ring to it. Merienda.
Merienda is at Cafe Marley. And Cafe Marley is famous for being a cafe with the Louvre in the background.
Yeah.
So you can have merienda and then your background is the Louvre in photos.
I just want to see the Mona Lisa. This will be my second Da Vinci, which I'm excited about. I don't expect to get anywhere near it, but I would like to at least see it.
Yeah, at least see it would be nice.
That and the Venus de Milo, so I can send my brother a joke about the gummy de Milo from The Simpsons. He'll get it. I think we need to find a better spot because it's all wall.
Let's go this spot.
Okay. Interrupt somebody's graduation photo. Okay. This looks like the money shot. Meanwhile, behind the scenes, juggling everything. Must be regrowth season before summer comes and it all gets trampled again.
Why is it fenced off? If you go to any city, you should download Flash Invaders. It's like an app. And then you have to look for those things. There's an artist that does that, and he's been going all over the world to put artworks in random spaces in the city. There's like thousands of them. You have to find them. I found one, and I got 100 bonus points because it's a new city. No glove, no love. 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 No glove, no love.
So it's funny, like a lot of this, it's not famous people, like in a lot of the museums. On the wall there it said that in Paris went through statue mania around the 1900s. Or early 1900s.
So everybody was making statues.
And so everyone was making statues, and so that's why all this stuff, it's just like of just fictional scenes and stuff.
Yeah.
But apparently a lot of them got melted down during the war for material. So this is like it's like remnants of what's left over. So it's quite interesting. Yeah, that's why they're just decorative, most of them. Just
yeah. It's still pretty nice.
Yeah.
Like, I don't think it matters if the person was famous or not.
Yeah. Well, yesterday at the palace, I mean, there was hundreds of statues of people, and I'm reading who they are, and I'm like, geez, the bar was quite low back then to get a statue. You just have to be in charge of something. It's like statue. And it's sitting in this palace hundreds of years later.
Yeah. I think what matters is the artistry that actually goes into making them. Like, I can't imagine, like, working with like a chisel.
Especially this gymnast over here.
Yeah.
Imagine
from like a block of what?
More importantly, how do you chisel the crotch? I mean, they would have had to spend a lot of time polishing and sanding to. You look like you're looking up her butt.
I'm looking at Pixie.
Any sharks?
Yeah, from the Netflix series.
What's that movie called? Under Paris?
Under Paris.
Yeah. Absolute worst movie I've ever seen. Well, that's saying a lot, but it's not very good. It's funny though. It's like funny bad. No sharks. How are the feet, darling?
Better.
Strategic change.
Yeah.
Better, shorter. Way shorter. You won't be able to see anything at the museum now.
Okay. It's okay. I'll just push them. They won't know I'm coming.
Darling, I feel bad for you that you're this short. I can see it quite clearly from here.
I can't see anything.
This is so exciting. It's actually fewer people here than I expected.
Guys, I can't see anything. Just okay, maybe just flip it and then I'll hold it so they know what I do.
Wow. That was seriously so much easier than I was expecting it to be. You walk in and there's a massive crowd of people, but you go down the side, we're maybe 4 or 5 deep when we settled in a spot.
Yeah.
You know, people move, they open up the front to let people through.
Yeah.
And you just wait your turn, and we got right to the front.
That's really good.
We're able to hang out there for 5 minutes or so and just soak it all in.
Yeah.
And the way they've got it hung, I mean, even from here, I can see it pretty clearly. I know you can't, but I can see half of it from your height.
Yeah.
I can see your eyes.
I can see the face, but not much more.
But yeah, the crowd looks worse than it is. But yeah, very happy with that. Yeah, that's 2 Da Vincis. We'll have to go to Krakow so you can see the one I saw last year. Yeah, and then we're just going to tick them off. Where are they all? Might take a while.
A good thing to complete.
Yeah.
Oh, St. John the Baptist. Okay, my mom's gonna like that.
Well, that didn't take long.
1.
3. So we've discovered this underground section, which apparently has all the original foundations of when the Louvre was first built, when it was a castle. Rather than a museum, of course, back in the 1300s. That's like 700 years ago. This is really cool down here. You've just got all these halls of original foundations. There's no one down here, or not many people down here. It's very eerie.
It is.
It's nice and cool. I'm enjoying the underground temperature control. But yeah, it's really, really cool. So the crowd actually hasn't been as bad as what I was expecting in most places, but as soon as you find some space, like we do right now, as soon as 1 or 2 tour groups roll in, all of a sudden, you'll be surrounded by 50 people looking at one particular thing.
The room is full all of a sudden.
But as soon as you get away from them, you've got plenty of space. All right, so let's run a test. Who has the better ass? Me? Or that?
You.
Me? I don't think I'd be that firm.
You haven't seen your ass yet, so that's not fair. But I've seen it a lot.
Second question. Who's better hung? Don't touch it. What are you doing? Sorry. Probably shouldn't answer that. Obviously, him. Now they are the saggiest balls I've seen yet. Some serious sag he's got going there. They'd float in the bath. Happy birthday, darling.
Thank you. We're at
Yeah.
the cafe.
She is a woman of expensive taste, so of course we are sitting at the cafe right, right outside. You only turn 31 once. I feel like we have to start planning 32 straight away.
Yeah.
Be hard to top. Anyway, I'm having cheese and wine, so I'm pretty excited about that. From the Bordeaux region.
Okay. Well, we'll go around, take more pictures, and then we'll do a montage.
It's been a long day of photos, I'll tell you that much. The enthusiasm from this lot has not waned one little bit. So, we're road tripping next week, so we've bought these tumblers that they're multi-purpose at the moment.
Yeah.
Good for coffee, good for tea, good for water, but right now we're using it for wine. So, happy birthday, darling.
Thank you.
We've jammed a lot in today.
I know. Maybe too much.
Too much. We've got one more thing to go.